can smell the ocean. I love bridges. I don't know if it's the drop or just because you get to see something disappearing behind you. Do you like bridges?
I do.
Let's do things you like. What else?
Movies.
Yes! Spartacus? You seen the foreign ones? Oh, so sexy.
There's a lot up to.
Yes. Why is it so hard to just enjoy things? God, I feel so good.
I don't feel a thing.
I don't feel a thing.
Ah.